clip, I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's mobile. We're going to start by tracing a circle onto some cardboard or thick cardstock, and then we'll want to cut that out. Now that we've cut this out, we're going to want to draw a spiral. We're going to start in the middle and just kind of go out until we get to the outside. Now we're going to cut along that spiral. So now you have a spiral like this. We're going to put that to the side for a minute. Next, you need to have 3 strings or 3 strips of yarn that are about the same length. And you're going to want to have some construction paper hearts that are all the same size cut out. We're going to start with some white hearts, and you're going to need 3 of them. And you're going to fold each of one of them in half. We're going to take 2 of these hearts and glue their sides together, one side of each. So that it looks like this. Now we're going to take a 3rd heart and glue it on there, but before we do, we're going to put the yarn in the middle. And then we're going to glue the 3rd heart. Now we're going to do it again with our red hearts, further down the string. Now we have our string with the red hearts and the white hearts, and we're going to repeat this process 2 more times. Now we've finished all 3 of our strings with the hearts on there. Then we went through and we punched holes sporadically along our spiral. The next thing we're going to do is tie our strings that we made to the spiral. Now our mobile is ready to be hung.